Jontama. Biggie Daddy, they want to kill each other because of you. They call you Biggie Daddy, because of your Jontama. Biggie Daddy, they want to kill each other because of you.
Who? This girl again. Can you just let me be?
Please open the door for me.
I'm tired.
Good evening.
Where are you coming from?
I don't understand. Are you not happy to see me?
Sit down.
Why are you acting this way?
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my house.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Why are you acting like this? Is it because you now have numerous girls that comes to visit you? Listen, let me tell you. None of those girls love you the way I do. Long John, I love you from the depth of my heart. They are only coming to you because of your Long John. If I had not told Philo, she wouldn't have come. But me, I love you. I love everything about you. Your beards, your hair. Everything.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Who is that?
Hmm?
Who is that?
Your father. Your father is here.
My father?
Yes.
You followed me.
Yes.
What do I do?
You have to go into the kitchen and hide.
Okay.
Listen. Hide properly. Don't let anyone see you. Go inside. Kitchen. Get. Oh. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm so sorry I was sleeping when you were knocking.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Hope I didn't disturb you.
No, it's okay. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I brought food for you.
You brought some food for me. That's very thoughtful of you. Come here. You like that?
Yeah, I love it. So let me sit and watch it.
No. I'm actually going out shortly.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. That means tomorrow I'll come and collect the food flask.
Oh, you come back for the flask. That's okay.
Okay.
Thank you. This is very thoughtful of you.
Thank
miss
you.
me?
I miss you.
I miss you too.
I miss you. Okay, so let me go.
Alright.
Oh, I can still.
No.
Okay.
Remember, I'm going out shortly.
Oh yeah, you said so.
Yeah.
You said so. Okay. Okay, let me go.
Alright.
Okay. Bye.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.
Every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you be Biggie Daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie Daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you Biggie Daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie Daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John. Abala sanadi, natasia, meba boga. Never the yoko, asinadi sexy and hot. Never see it. Voice never desert. Asinadi sexy and hot. Select win single and searching. Never digital baby.
My daughter, please don't be angry. There is something I want to ask you. Please, when are you going back to your husband's house?
Ah.
That's your name.
Mama, is this why you called me?
Yes.
Yeah.
My daughter, to be frank with you, it has been giving me sleepless nights. I don't like what people tell me each time I go outside concerning you. They do, in fact, it used to bother me so much.
Mama, you're having sleepless nights because you want to have it. If not, if you enter your bed, you will sleep. I don't know why you're saying you're having sleepless nights. And then for people talking about me, they have their mouths. They're entitled to their opinion. They can say whatever they deem fit. It is none of my business.
It has to be your business. Yes, you have to care. Maka onye nwanne ya na-agba egwu ọjọọ amaghị onye maka ihere na-eme ịgwa gị eziokwu ifuru nwanne gị na ọnọrọ n'ọma ahịa na-agba egwu na-adịghị ma egwu na-ezighị ezi ọkwa gị maka ihere ga-eme ọ ya ka m na-agwa gị. You have to think about what I'm saying.
Mama, you want to know the truth? The truth about Benjamin and I is that we can never be together anymore. We are done. In fact, we are done with. Done and dusted between Mona and Benjamin. So I cannot go back to him. So stop telling me to go back there.
But it's not true. It's not true, my daughter. In fact, I say it's not true. You are treading on a very dangerous path.
Enough, Wala. Why are you asking me where I went to last night? How is that your business? Stop deceiving yourself. You think I don't know you took food to him last night? Mama. Oh, is that why you are angry? Look at this girl, oh. Do you think we are mates? I am talking to you. Do you think we are mates? If you like, give him everything you have. He will not love you. Let me shock you, sister. Long John is already in love with me, and there's nothing you or anybody can do about it. That cannot happen. I bet you, he will never love you. Never! Nonsense, idiot. Did you just call me idiot? Did you just call me idiot? Are you mad?
My daughter Biko, Benjamin is a very good man. Just give it a second thought. You have to go back to him. Yes, you have to.
Mama, can you hear yourself speak? Benjamin is a very good man. So you're not siding Benjamin and you're calling me a bad person. No, Guinea, you just told me that he's a good person while I'm the bad one.
I didn't mean that.
But 9 minutes. I'm the bad person.
There is noise at the backyard. What is happening there? What is at the backyard? Hey!
Stop it! Are you crazy? What is wrong with you? Call me idiot! You are mad!
What's the meaning of that? Why are people fighting? What is the problem? You're not talking.
Ask her! Ask this fool!
Have I not warned you not to be fighting with your other sister?
Mama, it's not about fighting with her sister. What is the problem? I want to know.
She called me idiot!
She called you idiot?
Yes!
Just that. What is the problem?
Sister, ask your sister.
Ask your sister. In Africa, I get bread. They are beating you and you're what is the problem? Oh, you're going to wound. Okay.
Let me teach you. You call me before you fall down again. You call me idiot.
I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop.
Mama, leave me now. Leave me. Stop beating me.
What is wrong with you?
She called me idiot.
Have I not warned you not to beat your sister?
Then why would she call me idiot, Mama? Why would she call me idiot?
Oh, you are looking at my face and you're asking me.
Mama, I'm not done. Come here. No, if you come here, let's go. The next time you will try that again, you will regret your life. You will put it on. And when he get me, you're a fool. You say call me a fool, please. It's like you're not tired of me beating you. No, you are not tired. You want us to go around too. No, do you want us to go around?
No, will you shut up your mouth? Will both of you stop this rubbish? Why is it that every time both of you will be fighting? What is the problem with you?
Mama, it was because I told her that I knew where she went to yesterday. That was why she was shouting. She was angry because I knew she took food to a man yesterday.
Food? I'm okay. Food? Which food?
It is our food though. That was why it was not enough yesterday night. I just kept quiet. I didn't say anything.
Lady, I am warning you. Don't say what you don't know. Do not say what you don't know. The question is, did you or did you not take food to a man?
She has suddenly gone dumb. You know Kuzioku.
Hey!
You don't want to talk? Mama, are you not talking again?
Mama, Biko. Leave me alone. I can't believe this nonsense. I mean, you people are my sisters, but you don't have common sense. No, no get sense at all. Look at what you're doing. Embarrassing yourselves. Fighting over a man every time in this house. What is so special about this man? What is this nonsense now?
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know why you should be. So, which means this fight is just for a man. Eh? Because of a man. You cook my food, you take to a man. Eh? And you want me to be happy with both of you.
You have what sense? What sense do you have? Look at you. What has that man done for you? Nothing. Even you, nothing. You are here fighting every day over a man. You should be ashamed of yourself, so. You should really be ashamed of yourself. Anyway, I don't know the kind of training Mama gave you people in this house. I honestly do not know. Mama, no, don't work anymore. Look at them fighting every day. Maka woke. No, for what?
You that went to the city and came back, what legacy are you teaching your younger ones? Is it to leave their husbands tomorrow and come back to the house the way you did? Eh?
Mama, I don't understand. Why are you talking to me like this in front of my junior sisters? I don't understand.
Because you have to go back to your husband.
Don't be talking to me like that. Don't be talking to me like that.
I have to talk to you. So you go back to your husband's house. And both of you, eh? Hey, it's okay. Oh yeah, get back to the house.
The next time you try it, I will beat you blue black. Try it. And you are really.
Will you stop?
You are just jealous.
I'm okay.
You are just jealous that he's in love with me. Oh, look at you. Jealous.
I'm okay. For me. He's for me.
Look at you. Mama, what? Mama, you should go inside first. Every time I'm okay.
I'm okay. Go inside first.
Just try it. Try it. Mama.
Oh yeah. Go back to the house. Oh yeah. So be at
So what are you doing? Yam. I'm not eating yam today. I'm not eating yam. Yam. Huh?
What are you doing?
Nicole, I did not ask you to help me out. Yes.
The meat is even small. Look at the small meat I want to pee my mouth. Eh? Look at that number. Very small meat.
Etiko? What is in your mouth? Nothing in your mouth is moving like this. Etiko? I think I saw something like meat in his mouth. This boy is too comic. He will not just change. Etiko!
Etiko, give original information. Okwute onye rigoro onye rirere.
Mama, did you see Piccolo? That boy thinks he's smart. He will come back here and meet me.
What did he do again?
He went to the pot and took a piece of meat. I just discovered it because I counted them before I put them in the pot.
Did you count the meat?
Yes, I did. Because I have discovered what has been going on in this house.
Mama Piccolo, because you nekwa kamo, akamo di panu akao. Mommy, yeah, see you very soon when I will be with the angels. And I'll be singing, Hallelujah, Hosanna to the Lord. Hallelujah, Hosanna to the Lord. See, you better give your life to Christ, Chizoba, so that when we finally get to heaven, you will be my neighbor. Mommy, smile for me, heavenly smile. And when Piccolo.
Where is the meat that you took from the pot?
Chizoba, I don't understand. Mommy, tell Chizoba, if it's a joke, Chizoba, you better stop it too. Do not play with sense. Do not play with sense. Chizoba, if it's a joke, stop it, please. I'm begging you now. Mommy, what you are doing?
Yeah, me joking. Me joking. Piccolo. Yeah, me joking with you.
Chizoba, wait. Chizoba.
Chizoba.
Piccolo. Mama. Did you take meat?
Mama, I did not take any meat too. I did not take any meat. Piccolo, the only boy that has gotten heavily cut off mark. Chizoba, leave me alone. I don't want to reduce your bride price with my heavenly blow. Angels, please allow me to fight this fight. This is family matter. Let me disfigure this girl. Leave me alone. 1.
Nah.
Leave me alone. 2.
Yeah, Etiko.
Leave me alone. 3.
Ikagonku. Ikagonku.
Chizoba.
Ikagonku.
Chizoba, mommy. Ay! Mommy, separate this fight, oh. Mommy, this guy will kill somebody, oh.
You think I'm joking with
Mommy,
you?
we go to hell, oh. Mommy, you don't have money for
Say
burial.
the truth now.
You don't have money for burial now.
In this compound.
Is it because I'm not eating?
You have not
I will
eaten.
beat
You
you.
eat.
Are
You
you
eat.
mad?
Are you mad? Mama, I will kill this boy.
Fight, oh. Mommy,
I will kill this boy.
that shall not fight. In the book of Malachi, that's why I'm leaving you.
Malachi?
In the book of Malachi,
Which Malachi?
that shall not fight.
Which number?
That is why.
Which number in Malachi?
Number 35. Number 35.
Which
This is about.
Mas, I was here yesterday, but I was told that you went for a meeting.
No one told me.
Okay. Mas, Biko, I actually came to plead on my father's behalf.
Gigi, okay.
Mas.
That's a popular adage or saying amongst our people. Asina, one year bruna, if you're na home, any woman that her team makes noise during meeting, hears the sound with her 2 ears. You're no longer a child not to know the implication of a man accusing another man of sleeping with his wife. Just go home and talk to your father. Tell him I will give him the whole of today. In fact, I'll give him the whole of today to prove his claims. Because by tomorrow, I am already at the Ugu Shrine.
Hey, Mas.
I must proceed to Ugu Shrine tomorrow.
Hey, Mbanon. It has never gotten to this. Ugu Shrine, Mas, Biko, I'm begging you.
It has gotten to that juncture and it has even crossed it. It's a capital offense.
Hey, Mas, Biko, can I say something?
Chijioke,
No amount of thing you will say that will convince me to shift my stand. Go and talk to him.
Hey.
Talk to him. I must report him to Ogugu Shrine tomorrow. He must swear before Ogugu that I am sleeping with his wife, your own mother.
Bikono, I'm here begging you. Please, hear me out, Biko. Mazi, please. I'm begging you. Ogugu Shrine, Bikono.
Go home. Chijoke. Go home, as I said. Go and talk to your father.
Chijoke wa mmadụ ayarị nwa eji ego ayarị. Chijoke nwanne m ayarị nwa eji ego ayarị. Butu. Nwoke m. Ah, keke na-eme. This one your face is like this. I hope all is well.
Piccolo, I am not happy. My father is making me angry in this house.
What difference is again? What is the problem?
Piccolo, if you are in my shoe, you will do more than this.
Chijoke, what is the problem between you and your father? Unanachiki property. Are you people trying to share your property?
Piccolo, my visit to Mazi Ukatu's house today triggered my anger the more.
Trigger?
Yes.
Chijoke, you know, the only place I know you can only see trigger is inside the gun. Now inside the gun, trigger the day. Don't tell me that you want to shoot your father.
Piccolo, that's not what I mean. What I mean is that my visit to Mazi Ukatu's house today fueled my anger the more.
We are still talking about trigger. Now you are talking about fuel. You want to set this your father's house ablaze? You've not even built your own. Or do you want to set your father ablaze? Okay, are you trying to tell me that Mazi Ukatu is still threatening to report your father to the Ogugu Shrine?
Yes, he did. He said he will report there if my father refuses to provide whosoever that gave him that information.
What did you say? Provide who?
If my father refuses to provide whosoever that gave him that information, he will report my father to Ogugu Shrine.
Okay. See, they are looking for the person that gave your father the information.
Yes, that person that gave my father that information. They are looking for the person. Why? What is it?
Chijoke. My pot of soup.
Pot of soup?
Yes.
In a season?
In a warm case.
Oh, in a warm case. You go. You go.
I have to go. Okay, I have to go.
Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
You go. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
You go.
Hey, Zuna, we have to go and attack those people that is building house in that land very close to Mazi Ukatu's house.
They have not settled.
They have not settled.
What are we waiting for?
No, we need to go.
Let's go and attack them.
We have to organize. Look at somebody's wife dressed like a prostitute.
Like a prostitute, or she's already a prostitute.
Are you referring to me?
Did you hear your name? Did you hear your name?
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Listen, when you get home, call your mother and your useless sisters prostitutes. What is up?
Chineke, Isuna, Irabliona.
Do you know why I left her?
How do you leave her?
Because she's somebody's wife. I would have dealt with her.
I never saw that a woman slapped you and you didn't do anything. You see, left her because she was a woman. Are you okay?
Wait. Are you mocking me?
I'm not mocking you. I'm not mocking you. Why am I going? Like, you didn't do anything. It's my mind mocking you.
Are you not my friend? Why did you do something?
Can you hear me like a grab? No, what happened to your both hands? Chineke. I thought I have a man. So what slapped you and you let her go? Why? For that matter? You see, you would have dealt with her. You need to come now. I want for you. Open up my basin suayante. Chineke. You see, ha! You want a woman I'm working on.
Yeah, good evening.
Welcome.
Yeah.
He's not around. He went to get something from the market.
No, I'm not looking for the owner of the shop. Please, I don't know if you have seen this guy around.
Let me take a look.
No, I did not. Or have you?
No.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can run, but you cannot hide away. This is time to pay back, to pay back. Long, 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 long jump, long jump, long, 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 long jump, long, long jump.
Welcome, sir.
Was that not my customer?
She's not a customer.
Huh?
She was looking for someone.
Why did you ask her to wait?
She was not looking for you, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
You can disguise no hiding place for him.
Which one is your own?
That is my shoe.
Huh?
That is my shoe.
The white one is my own.
That is my
The white one?
Yeah, the white is my own.
It's time to pay back, pay back. No hiding place, no hiding place. Pay back, pay back. You can run, but you cannot hide away. This is time to pay back, to pay back. Long, 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 long jump, long jump, long, 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 long jump, long, long jump. You can disguise, man. He can hide, disguise, mana. You can disguise, man. No hiding place for him.
Good afternoon, sir.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Please, sir, I'm sorry to bother you. Please, I've been going around searching for this young man. I don't know if you have seen him within the village.
No, my daughter, I've not seen him before.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I have to be on my...
Wait. Are you from this village?
No, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, well.
Once again, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I have to be on my way.
No, my daughter.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Pay back, no hiding place, no hiding place. Pay back, pay back. You can run, but you cannot hide away. This is time to pay back.
Good day. Yes. Yeah. I'm on my way to your house.
And I am rushing to
to the shrine, Ogugu shrine to be precise.
Ogugu shrine?
Yes.
Please, I have something to discuss with you in your house, please.
Okolo, whatever you want to discuss with me in my house, say it here. And say it quickly because already I'm late to the shrine.
Mazokato, I am very sorry. Do not be angry with me. It was this young man they call Piccolo that gave me the information that you are having an affair with my wife.
Wait, did I hear you say who? Piccolo?
Piccolo.
Hey! A riffraff, a nincompoop, an imbecile gave you information like this, of this magnitude, and you believed it. You will kill yourself one day. Well, count yourself lucky. You know what? If you know the same way you spread this news, go and disabuse people's mind from believing you, because I will be left with no option than to report you and the idiot to Ogugu shrine. I'm not joking. I'm almost there.
Mazokato, like I said, you know I'm a jealous type. So put yourself in my shoe. Please.
It's unfortunate.
Let's go to your house and settle everything.
It's unfortunate. Your jealousy has landed into a doom. In fact, Okolo, if you know what you want to tell me at home, say it now because I don't have time any longer.
Like I said, I am sorry. Do not continue with this Ogugu shrine of 18. I have not confirmed that information is a false one, so I'm sorry.
I will take your sorry on one condition.
And that is?
That you go around the entire village and disabuse people's mind. Minds of those that are innocent, unsuspecting victims of these nonsense scandals of you and Piccolo. Tell them that I'm no longer, I didn't do what you said I did. Then, when you have done that, come back.
If that would be okay with you, I will just go right now.
Go without waste of time because I'm exhausting my patience. Okay. Hey! To give you information which you believe, you will die one day for what you don't know about. Anyway, let me.
Give original information. I dare say inside is Naka Nakwaku, Abalosonadi, Natasia, Beba Boga, Nekwa Bedioku, Asanadi sexy and hot, Nepasi single and searching, Ijengala, Ananadia Jodi, voice in a bad desert, Asanadi sexy and hot, Nepasi single and searching, Ijengala, Ananadia Jodi. Say waka waka baby, piara piara baby alaba. Listen to your mommy, ichibanya kiro. Listen to your daddy.
So Oga, this is what you do.
Have we met before? What can I do for you?
What do you mean you met before? Like you don't know me. Anyway, that's not my business. I was right after all.
Right about what?
About everything. I have come here for you to fix my shoe. I have an appointment to catch, so be fast about it.
Well, you have to wait. I have to finish with this one. The owner will soon be here.
What do you mean by that? I just told you I have an appointment to catch. The owner will soon be here. Don't you have sense? Eh?
Must you insult me anytime you see me?
Must you try to show yourself? Oga, do this thing. Let me get out of here. I don't have all day.
In that case, I won't touch this shoe. Take it somewhere else.
What even brought me here? Eh? What is wrong with this man? Can you fix my shoe, you this miserable man? Fix this shoe right now.
No. Take it somewhere else.
And I say no. You must fix this shoe. Otherwise, you're not going to do any other thing in this horrible shop of yours. Yo, Oga Sai, fix my shoe.
Who is here? What is that? Call her for me.
Mama. Good afternoon, Naida.
Afternoon. Where is your son, Piccolo? Bring him out. Let him hear with his ears what I'm about to say.
What has he done?
Naya, what would you coach didn't tell even Nachiku?
Hey, Piccolo, you're not talking about Piccolo.
Bobia. Piccolo! I have not seen you make an effort. Hey. Look for him and get him out.
Where's Piccolo? Where is he?
My son, what is it?
Mama, ask your son to come out here.
Hey! Chijoke, what did you do, please?
Listen to me, listen. Ask him to come out here, else maybe into peace. I will deal with him.
Just calm down.
I want to inform you. Go and call him out.
You guys ask him because of
Piccolo, you cannot run away from me.
What did I do to you? Chijoke, what did I do to you now?
Piccolo, you're asking what you did to me. Piccolo! Piccolo, come on. So you are the one. Piccolo. Piccolo, go on. Piccolo, you.
You're my brother. You're my brother. You're my brother. It's okay. It's okay. Let me die. Just let me die. Give me poison. Give me poison. Give me poison. Please.
Piccolo, you already there.
Hey! It's okay.
Piccolo! Piccolo!
Hey!
What is it?
Because Chijoke is a very wicked man. Chijoke is very wicked.
What did Chijoke do?
You need to see what Chijoke did to me in the dream.
Hey. So, it's just an ordinary dream that you're panting like this?
Not ordinary.
Eh?
This is bad omen. Tell them I'm not happy.
Hey!
Where is he? Kaya!
Oh yeah?
My friend, you let go.
When did you walk in? We saw him running inside house. Go and bring him out. Go and bring your brother out.
Mama, it's not Piccolo that you saw. Maybe it's that black boy.
My friend, listen to me, Roger. Go in there now and call him to come outside here. Let him come here and explain to me how my mother has been sleeping with her and come and look at him.
Go and bring him out.
Mama, I swear. No.
I said, come on.
Piccolo, what is going on in your life?
Mama, in my life right now there is trouble. Mama, please don't tell them you saw me. Please, save your son.
Why are you causing me BP?
Mama, Are you
the only son in this village? What is wrong with you, this boy? Eh?
Mama, go for Nana Bazi boy in Lagos.
Oh, yeah, back, you know. I will kill you today.
The money is 500.
What do you mean by 500?
500.
500 again?
500 naira.
And when again you get elephant? Not only 500 naira. For this small thing that you just did. Okay, your money is 100 naira.
No, impossible. I can't take 100.
Why won't you take it? You're going to work out.
Listen, do I look hungry to you?
You are not just hungry, but you're also a wretched man. Look at you.
Okay.
When was the last time you shaved? Nah, got to.
Oh, really? Let me tell you something. I can feed your entire generation.
Holy Ghost fire. I cannot give you 500. 500 naira. Name again.
Don't leave this shop. 500
It is 100 naira. Onyori. 100 naira. What's that? Amogi. What are you doing?
How are you?
What are you trying to do in my presence? You want to kiss this wretched man? What are you doing here for?
Sister, I came to see him. He's my boyfriend.
Oh! Chimwen, who is your boyfriend?
Me.
Oh, Amogi, you should be ashamed of yourself. Of all the good-looking men in this village, you did not see any other person to date. It is this wretched man.
Sister, please don't call my boyfriend Richard.
Tell her.
Please, he's not a Richard.
Hey! Do not tell me that this is the same man you and Ned have been fighting over. Don't tell me. If I let me way.
Pay your 500 and leave.
Look at this dirty idiot. Meanwhile, what do you have in that bag?
Food.
Sister, I won't take it from you calling my boyfriend an idiot.
I said, what do you have in that bag?
I brought food for him.
Don't tell me you carried our food to this man. You brought our food for this useless man.
That is my boyfriend.
Hey!
Madam, pay your 500 and leave.
For this singular act, I am not giving for thorough shishi afu. I'm not giving.
We shall see.
You, come home and meet me. You will meet me at home. I'm off here.
Traveler, fine boy in the village. Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you be biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they calling you biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John. Give original information. Give original
Mama, I have discovered the fool causing issues between your two daughters.
Eh?
Yes, so.
Who is he?
One useless shoe mender like that.
Shoe mender?
I'm telling you.
If you want no more. Shoe mender come waka jine ebu onwe ha.
Yes, so Mama, one of my shoe caught when I was coming back. So I was looking for who to fix it for me. Someone directed me. So when I got there, your daughter was walking majestically. She walked in there and introduced the fool to me. I am telling you, Mama, introduce the fool as the boyfriend. Hey. Is that she carried the food that you made in this house and took to the boy.
My own food?
I'm telling you.
Urim.
Yes.
So this girl has the effrontery to carry my food to the shoemaker, the shoe mender.
Mama, the one that breaks my heart is that this boy looks so tacky. Looking so dirty, so unkempt. This year, no, my water.
So we no, we know about how we begin work also how in this community. More boy shoe mender.
I want a choice, but the one I'm advising you to do, is the food in this house. Oh, before you know it, I see the bag. Guide the boy.
Don't worry.
Warn your daughters. They're getting out of hand.
Don't worry. Let her come back. She will meet me in this house.
No.
Okay, Jecha.
Amogi is shameless. Amogi is shameless. She did not even mind that I'm my elder sister. She was introducing the boy, my boy. Oh my
Imagine.
God.
Now to the go John and not there. So she had the effrontery to introduce somebody before you.
Not even somebody. Onyala. As put on somebody open. Don't worry when she comes back now. What no member?
It's so bad.
Oh, go where can she go to women?
When no one also have now this community, mobile shoe mender.
Mama, stop it now, no. Before you start looking for your bags of rice and things in this house, they will just carry everything and go and give to that useless boy. One nana wanna so
So she has gone there with food again. Eh? I wonder why she's trying to win his heart. I won't let that happen. I won't. I know what to do. I know
this one you're nodding your head like this. What's that? What do you know how to do? How to solve? What is it?
Sister.
Sister what? What's the problem? I see. You overheard me discussing with Mama, right? What is even so special about that boy? I have seen the very controversial boyfriend of you and Amogi. What is so special about him? Huh?
Sister, if I tell you what is special about him, you too will be interested.
What's the meaning of that? What do you mean I'll be interested for what? For what reason? I don't get it.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Oh yeah, tell me. These girls are really funny. So this is where they got this name from. Interesting. Long John. This is quite unbelievable. A Long John.
Adeze.
Mama?
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm okay. Just receiving fresh air.
So, is Amoge not yet back?
She's not back, oh.
Amoge Alotabe?
I have not seen her. I've not seen your daughter with her two left leg. I haven't seen her.
Your father must hear this.
Better. Let him hear it.
Once he's back, I'm going to tell him.
Yes, so let him caution that useless kid.
Amoge. Okay. It's so bad.
Yes, so. Long John.
Did you see? No, he must have run very far.
Mama, let's go and beg these people, especially Mazo Kato, who is threatening to report this matter to Ogu.
Yes, Mama. Zoba is very correct. We have to do something immediately. Delay can be very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Leave me, let me talk. Piccolo will not kill me in this village. He has decided not to be useful to himself.
Mama, leave that talk for now.
I will not
leave that talk for now.
I will not. I don't like what is going on.
Mama, it's okay.
What kind of nonsense is that?
It's okay. Zoba, I understand Mama is angry, but we have to do something. Yes.
Nobody is happy about it. Eh?
What do we do? Let us go and beg them now. What else can we do? Let's go. Zoba, let's go. Let's follow her. Zoba.
Mama, I'll wait here.
Okay.
Or should I prepare something?
Yes.
I'll go.
Etiko, give original information.
Igolo, you cannot run forever. If I set my eyes on you, you are here. Isigu Mazi, Isigu Ba football at this village.
Is everything alright?
My brother, everything is not alright. Piccolo thinks he can destroy the name of my family in this village by spreading false news that my mother has been sleeping with Mazu Kato.
Okay, I heard that, so it's not truth.
And you believe? Izunna, you heard and you believe?
I have to believe now, nobody can be trusted in this life.
Nobody can be trusted. Izunna, assume it was your own mother.
Me, I trust my mother. My mother cannot do such thing.
So, my mother is now Ashawo now. She has been sharing. Man, I want to tell you something. If you Piccolo, tell him to run. Piccolo. I swear to God, I will cut off his head.
You have to take it easy. If you keep Piccolo now, you go and serve government.
It's better. How can man go Piccolo and go serve for government? I will kill him and go and serve government.
This is serious. I can't put back it before Piccolo.
No problem now. No worry. But extend my information to him. Piccolo. If I set my eyes on him.
Na Yokatu. Bikono, mere nwa ebere, oh? Have mercy because of me and my daughter. Oh?
Nai, please. Nai, Biko.
Biko what? Why are you pleading? That useless son of yours, why did he not come here with you? Go and bring him here. He should come here and face whatever it is he has done. He should come.
He cannot come now because Mazu Okoro chased him out with cutlass. My son is running for his dear life.
He is running for his dear life indeed. After he painted my father black, green, blue, everything rubbish. He should come here. You go and bring him here. He has to suffer for all his deeds.
Oh, say, am I?
No.
Don't you ever mention my name. Did I not warn you? Did I not warn you? Did I not warn you? When I was complaining about that your son and the nasty things he does, Mbano, instead of you to caution him, rather you were cautioning me and was even warning me to leave your own son alone. Mbano, Obidola not Tagarala. This is the result.
I am very sorry. Nobody knows it all. Nobody knows it all. Bikununai.
Oh God, can you people stop this plead and go do the needful? If you me, go and bring your son.
Ijele, you and your daughter should go home.
Yes.
Then tell that your son to see me.
Very good.
When he is done running for his dear life. Did you hear me?
Okay, Nai. But I hope you are not going to report him to Ogubu Shrine.
I will definitely report him to Ogubu Shrine if I do not see him.
You've heard it from the horse's mouth. Oh, yeah, go. Madam, go.
Once again, don't hesitate me. Don't you ever try it. I have warned you. I will call and go. Until you do the needful. Go and bring your son. He must report here.
Isabel, let's go.
Go now.
Hey, that boy is a loafer.
Useless boy. After he has done every time, he has said all sorts of rubbish about you.
Imagine.
They are here to apologize. You can bring him.
He must come here. Whatever you call yourself, we came to we are here to know what you have done to our daughters. That's why we came here.
Talk, yes. Talk now.
Madam, your daughters are possessed with an evil spirit called Incubus.
Once again,
it's a sexual demon.
Hey.
Now listen, If I come here, if you know what to do to my daughters, you better undo it. If I come here again, what I will do to you, your name will be...
Madam, you heard me. I said your daughters are possessed.
You're the one that possessed them.
With an evil spirit called Incubus.
If they are possessed, you possess them.
No, it is a sexual demon. It makes them horny.
Shut up!
You don't shut up your mouth.
Look at this riffraff. Are you not afraid? Let me tell you this. You have my wife very, very well. For me to come back again and meet you here, it is trouble. Therefore, retrace your step. Let's go.
If I come here again,
let's go.
Your name is sorry.
Let's go.
They are possessed. Now you possess them.
No, but
you are possessed. You possess them.
You don't understand. You should
let's
go.
Is this not Mazu Deme's daughter?
Mama, go now. Get your boss out of here.
Makana in here. I will tell your mother.
What are they doing here?
I will tell your mother.
Why did they come?